Welcome to Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada, the honeymoon capital of the world. And what can you say about the falls? One of the natural wonders of the world. This video will provide 15 reasons why people love Niagara Falls.
I was just a playboy back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Population just over 80,000 and home of the iconic natural wonder of the world, Niagara Falls. Now, just for context, we have a map here. Niagara Falls, Ontario is just over the border from Niagara Falls, New York. It's about 30 minutes from Buffalo, New York, an hour from Hamilton, Ontario, and an hour and a half from Toronto, Ontario. Now this video will provide 15 reasons why people love Niagara Falls, Canada. People love Niagara Falls because of the falls. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls at the southern end of Niagara Gorge, spanning the border between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. The largest of the 3 is Horseshoe Falls, also known as Canadian Falls, which straddles the international border of the 2 countries. Flowing north as part of the Niagara River, which drains Lake Erie into Lake Ontario, the combined falls have the highest flow rate of any waterfall in North America that has a vertical drop of more than 50 meters or 160 feet. During peak daylight tourist hours, more than 168,000 cubic feet of water goes over the crest of the falls every minute. Horseshoe Falls is the most powerful waterfall in North America as measured by flow rate. People love Niagara Falls because of the Voyage to the Falls boat tour. The 20-minute Voyage to the Fall boat tour brings guests on a journey of a lifetime, enjoy stunning views of the Niagara Gorge, American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and come face to face with the famous Canadian Horseshoe Falls. Feel the thundering roar, awesome power, and amazing mist that comes along with these natural wonders. People love Niagara Falls because of the Journey Behind the Falls tour. Visitors descend 125 feet by elevator, where a short tunnel gives access to 2 outdoor observation decks and 2 portals located directly behind the falls. At Journey Behind the Falls, you'll experience the awesome spectacle of 1/5 of the world's fresh water crashing down to the basin below. During summer daylight hours, over 2,800 cubic meters of water thunders over the brink every second, traveling 65 kilometers per hour. Your Journey Behind the Falls visit will take 30 to 45 minutes. People love Niagara Falls because of Clifton Hill. It's one of the most famous streets in Niagara Falls. It's located just steps away from the mighty Niagara Falls. Clifton Hill, known as Street of Fun, so vibrant because of the many exciting attractions, themed restaurants, and affordable hotels to stay at all in one area. Everything is within walking distance. Highlights include the Niagara Skywheel, Ripley's Believe It or Not, Haunted House, the Wax Museums, Daredevil exhibits, IMAX, and the Great Canadian Midway. People love Niagara Falls because of the food options. Delectable international cuisine is a cornerstone of dining in Niagara Falls. Equally abundant are family-style restaurants, casual pubs and grills, and eateries suited to accommodate large groups. Whether you desire Asian or Indian, contemporary American or Caribbean, Mediterranean or fusion, there are also a number of breweries available. People love Niagara Falls because of the Whirlpool Jetboat tour. Take a 45-minute ride on the Niagara River and experience the natural, awe-inspiring scenery of the Niagara Gorge. Learn about the river's historical significance and feel the thrill of the Devil's Hole Class 5 white water and the magnitude of the Whirlpool. People love Niagara Falls because of the Skylon Tower. The most famous Niagara Falls restaurant, the Skylon Tower, offers 2 great levels of fine dining, both 775 feet above the falls. The revolving dining room restaurant silently rotates 360 degrees every hour, giving diners a constantly changing vantage point. It is estimated that more than 8,000 square kilometers are viewable from the dining room. It really is the most breathtaking view in all of Niagara Falls. People love Niagara Falls because of the Zipline to the Falls. This flight without feathers is the coolest way for humans to soar across the sky, now with amazing views of Niagara Falls. The 4 parallel zip lines that face the American and Canadian Horseshoe Falls, riders dangle from a precarious 67-meter high vantage point. The fully guided experience adds thrills to the breathtaking panorama as gravity floats riders 670 meters at over 70 plus kilometers per hour along the edge of the vast Niagara River Gorge to the Falls observation landing. People love Niagara Falls because of Marineland. It's a themed zoo and amusement park. The park has performing marine animal shows, sea mammals, and land animal exhibits and amusement rides. It keeps dolphins, walruses, sea lions, and orca and beluga whales. The park also keeps bears, deer, and other land animals. People love Niagara Falls because of the festivals. Grape and Wine Festival, Blues Festival, and then there's the Winter Festival of Lights. From the middle of November until the end of January, the Niagara Falls Winter Festival of Lights in Ontario features a spectacular light show that includes fireworks over the falls, concerts, and children's performances. The Winter Festival of Lights is attended by over 1 million visitors each season. People love Niagara Falls because of the Incline Railway. The Falls Incline Railway improves the link between the Niagara Park's attractions at Table Rock and the Falls View tourist area, including hotels and the Falls View Casino Resort. The railway allows riders to easily reach the Bridge of Flowers pedestrian crossing over the Niagara Parkway into Table Rock. Open all year round, fully accessible and climate controlled. People love Niagara Falls because of the White Water Walk. Marvel at the relentless power and beauty of the White Water Walk and see how the deep and narrow Great Gorge was created. Discover raging white water. The White Water Walk is like no other along a boardwalk at the very edge of one of the world's wildest stretches of white water. People love Niagara Falls because of the casinos. The Falls View Casino Resort overlooks the world-famous Horseshoe Falls and is the largest at 2.5 million square feet, the most elegant gaming resort facility in Canada. The resort is also the location of the Avalon Ballroom Theatre, where guests can enjoy legendary shows in an intimate, state-of-the-art venue, shopping boutiques, and a variety of great restaurants, including the Grand Buffet overlooking the falls. Another reason people love Niagara Falls is the wineries. It has become famous for its wine, gaining international recognition as a must-visit destination to enjoy a beautiful country landscape. The entire Niagara wine region along the shores of Lake Ontario is home to over 50 wineries. Discover the best in the region by following the wine route of Ontario through the countryside by car, bike, or guided tour. People love Niagara Falls because of the Floral Clock. This unique and stunning display is a very popular spot on the Niagara Parkway and is photographed almost as often as the falls. The planted face is maintained by the Niagara Park's horticulture staff, while the mechanism is kept in working order by Ontario Power Generation. The floral design is changed twice each year. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Niagara Falls. If you've got a reason why you love it, pop it in the comment section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!